Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to another episode. I'm going to be unboxing this beautiful watch. This is the Google Pixel watch in the black color. Now, I understand that this is not really a new product. This will be the first time that I'm opening it. And I know that it came out late last year. I was in the market for a watch. Why didn't I just wait till the Pixel 2 rumored watch coming out? Well, because I needed a watch now. And I figured, get this watch now. When the second one comes out, maybe get that one, depending on how I feel about this one. So a lot is riding on this one, whether I'm going to get the second one or not. So let's check it out. This will be my first time seeing it in person. I don't know anyone with it who has the watch, so this is pretty interesting for me. Top slides off like that. And there you go. There's the watch already. Super nice. As you can see, I got the black one. It's first impressions, it's pretty small. I actually don't mind smaller wristwatches. Like I've had the smaller of the two Galaxy Active 1 and 2 watches. And before that, this is really my current watch right here. This is the Amazfit from like you can buy them on Amazon. And I like these. They're super basic. All I need is really basic notifications. And this thing, I love this because it lasts like 2 weeks on battery. But look at the size of these watches. So yeah, I don't think I'll have a problem with it. So let's go ahead and open this. You pull it out and you pretty much have everything behind the watch right there. But let's look at this one first. Basic safety guides. This is a Google guide right here. This is an instruction booklet. Let me look at this real quick. Getting started, how to detach, and all the instructions you need for this. And a random Google card that doesn't look like it has anything in here. All right then. Can I remove this without ruining it? If I pull this stuff, it's gonna, okay, it kind of opens up like that. I didn't want to ruin it. So here we got the Pixel charging puck. I've seen some videos on this. I've looked into it, and it's not really Qi wireless charging, so I know you can't use the reverse wireless charging on your phones. If you have it, you have to use a puck. I'm gonna have to get a second puck to keep in other places, so I don't have to remove this one from my house. They want you to not be able to get it out of here. So okay, here we go. Here's the puck. Look at this tiny puck, so small. Watch will just stick on that. Is it magnetic? It is magnetic, okay. Cool part of this cable, USB-C. This package comes with one more strap. Oh, this is gonna be longer or shorter depending. Okay, so we got a smaller band here for those with tinier wrists. So far, initial impressions, the silicone band is nice. I mean, I'm sure that's very similar to the other watches out there right now, the other smartwatches. But I do like this black color. Normally I wouldn't get black because I feel like it's too subtle, but I love the way it looked in photos with different colored straps. So black and the green IV strap, I kind of want that green Google IV strap. So that's why I got black. And then there's on the back, you can really see that heartbeat sensor and all the readings right there. On the side we have the crown. On this model it's black also, which I like. The silver one makes it stand out, and I want it to be more subtle, so I got the black one. Nice and smooth. Clicky, makes a clicking sound, pretty loud sound. Okay, oh, that's nice. Yeah. So when this thing is off and you spin the wheel, there's nothing going on. Like you don't feel anything. You just feel the wheel smoothly turning. But when you turn it with the watch on, there's haptic feedback. So it feels like you're actually pushing stuff up. It's like a tick, 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 tick. That is a very nice feeling. As soon as you start turning the crown, you got your notifications. And if you turn it down after it gets to the home screen, it's like your settings quick toggles. Just like on the phone, if you swipe down, there's your quick toggles. You swipe up, there's your notifications, but press this to go home, and you can do it without touching the screen. That's cool. And then we have one more button here. It's kind of flush, comes out a little bit, and it's kind of clicky. Okay, yeah, so this other button back here just kind of goes to your apps. There's all your apps. This is YouTube, music, all that stuff. All apps. And here's a list of everything that I have on here already, which is not much because you just saw me set it up. So you're not going to see a lot so far, but when I'm done setting this up completely, yes, you will. Oh, there's the readings in the back going off. And here it reads it takes your pulse pretty much like every second. So that's part of why the battery life doesn't last that long apparently. But you know, they say a day, they say 24 hours, and that's actually okay for me. But yeah, I don't think this is too thick. It looks thicker in pictures, but when you see up close, this is a pretty small puck. So on the sides here, we have, I don't know if I'll be able to get it, but we have the microphone and speaker slits right here. Here's a microphone, and here's the speakers. There's our microphone right there. So right at the band, there's like these buttons. They're pretty small buttons. Look at right there. It's like part of where the band reaches. You're supposed to press that. So you press it. I'm gonna try to get it with my thumbnail. Press it. And slide out. Okay. They made it seem it seemed a lot harder when I watched the videos to get this out, but I think I'm getting it already. There's 3 grooves there. There's like teeth right here. So you want to get this in. So you basically, it's like this sort of. So you want to slide it out and out. So you put them, you line up the grooves, the open areas. You put the watch teeth in, and then you lock them behind each other. I don't know if I explained this well enough, but yeah. Let's see if it's as easy as I say it is. So I'm gonna find an empty spot to get this in. This is straight on, so I'm gonna move it a little off and see if I can get it in there. Slide. Yep. That's pretty easy. So yeah, that is the watch. First impressions of the watch. So it feels great. It's kind of worn already. It's just a little bit worn. I'm sure it's trying to do all this setup and everything. Okay, we're getting that on. Super easy. You just push this little metal thing through. And this is the watch. This is the watch on my fat, chubby wrists. Feels good. I like the all black. Sleek as heck. Trying to be subtle. Oh, turn my wrist. Oh, there you go. Okay, just like I used to have a Motorola watch, so I have a habit of doing that when I want to sleep. Oh, there you go. There's the Pixel watch. Time to go play.